Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the process of converting decimal number to binary. In this example, I will show you or I will apply the successive division method. So in this method, this is done by dividing the number or the quotient repeatedly until it becomes 0. And then we write 1 if there is a remainder and we write 0 if there's none. Let's take a look at this example. We have here 75 base 10 and we're going to find out the binary equivalent of this number using the successive division method. So the first thing to do is divide the number by 2. So the result is 37 and there is a remainder of 1, so we have to write 1. Then we divide 37 by 2. The result is 18 and there is a remainder of 1, so we have to write 1. And then 18 divided by 2, that is 9 with no remainder, so we have to write 0. 9 divided by 2 is 4 with a remainder of 1, so we have to write 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, and there is no remainder, we have to write 0. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1 with no remainder, so we have to write 0. And this time 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0 with a remainder of 1, so we have to write 1. So at this point we have reached 0, so we have to stop the procedure of doing the successive division method. So the next thing to do is collect all the remainders from bottom to top. So in this case we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is now the binary equivalent of 75 base 10.